Hello to you guys. Welcome back to another little video. I'm filming off of an iPhone. We're outside, as you guys can tell. No, we're in some shady. Damn, this iPhone's awesome. I'm gonna make a small 3-minute video of what I'm going to do. Really. I'm probably gonna make 3-4-minute videos instead of 16, 17 hour long videos. And I'm gonna try and get set up for live streaming off my phone at some point in time. As you guys can tell, I don't have my sunglasses. Forgot them. I have a pair at my father's, but I don't like them. So yeah. I'm probably gonna be posting a lot today and tomorrow, and I'm probably gonna be posting more than YouTuber would recommend, but they're just a whole bunch of shorts and this one big long video, not big and long, but this one video. I'm gonna show you guys around a certain machine for right now. Someone wasn't home, so I can show you guys a different machine. Lawn tractor. I'm not sure what year it is. It has 19.5 ICs, twin blade, LT 1000, I think that's the horsepower. It is a Craftsman, pretty old, beat up, used. The engine, I believe it's a single cylinder. I can drive this quite well. Not sure what year it is, or even how old it is. Sorry, I have to figure out me. I don't have a phone tripod at this point in time. I need to get one. I also have a GoPro. I'm gonna figure out how to get the GoPro onto my phone and post videos off my phone instead of my laptop. Because if I post videos off my laptop, it's gonna be under Bridgeway account. It's gonna say Jefferson Johnson, but it's not gonna post to my phone. It's not gonna post on the channel that I have here. So yeah. Thank you for watching, ladies and gentlemen. Like, subscribe, hit that share button, hit the notification button, hit all. And also, don't forget to leave a comment saying whatever you guys want to say. If there's any hate comments, screw you all. I don't really care about you people that don't like this channel. You just don't like it. Either you don't like my type of content, like all content, or you don't like me, my personality. Thank you for liking, subscribing, share this video, and see you guys next time. Peace out.